Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an Instagram notification by enabling vibration alerts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple and updated steps to turn on vibration for Instagram notifications on your phone. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you control all the important features and permissions for your apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. Once you're inside the Instagram app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This area manages how Instagram alerts you about new activity. Now, tap on Notification Categories. Here, you'll see different types of notifications Instagram can send you, like messages, likes, or alerts. Find and select Alerts from the categories. This is the specific notification type you want to customize with vibration. Finally, look for the Vibrate toggle and switch it on. This will enable your phone to vibrate whenever you receive an Instagram alert. And that's it. With these quick steps, your phone will vibrate for Instagram notifications, helping you stay connected without constantly checking your screen. Whether you're in a meeting, a noisy place, or just want a subtle reminder, vibration alerts make sure you don't miss anything important. Remember, these settings might look slightly different depending on your phone model or operating system version, but the general process remains the same. Just head to your phone settings, find Instagram under Apps, and customize your notifications to include vibration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly enabled Instagram vibration alerts. Stay tuned for more easy tech tips to improve your social media experience.